guys, what's up? So a lot of you guys were asking me a lot of questions on Twitter after I recently posted that video on whether or not it was real, whether or not it was free, how do I get it, all of that. So this video is pretty much just to clear that all up. Yes, it is actually real, and yes, it's completely free. I found this site online, which I will link down below. I entered my username, I selected my platform, and all I had to do was download and use one of the sponsored apps, which took me about a minute, and it worked so easily and so well. Honestly, I was extremely surprised that it actually worked, but it worked flawlessly and I couldn't recommend them enough.